Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button. When we tap on this, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and focus on the useful features. At the third position here we have picture as previewed, so this option is kind of mirror effect here, and it saves selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. By using this button we can turn it off and turn it on easily like that. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.